Last, we'll be drawing our background. Our background will have 4 hills and a sun with sun rays. We're going to go ahead and start with our first hill on the left-hand side. And the hill is going to start halfway between the bottom of our top box and the corner of our page. So we want to go halfway down, make a line, and this hill is going to come through our X down to our wave. So a curved line that starts halfway in this box, crosses through our X, and touches our wave. For our second hill, we are actually going to start towards the top of our first wave, and we are going to go through our plus sign with the gray, and I still have my dot. I'm going to come up, I'm going to come down through the center, and I'm going to end halfway up my wave. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my dots. So the second hill is going to start in the first left box, and it's going to go above the gray, through my plus sign, and down halfway between my gray line and the top of my wave. My third hill is going to start halfway between the bottom of my second hill, so halfway between this dot and this dot. I'll make another mark. It's going to come above the gray. Again, we're going to go through the center of our plus sign and halfway between our gray line and the top of our wave. So very similar to our second mountain. Our last mountain in the background is going to start the same way we started hill number 3. We're going to go halfway down, make a dot. So halfway between our X, halfway up our wave, we have our line. It's going to come above the gray line, and it is going to come down where the gray line touches our black border. So for our background, we should only have 1, 2, 3, 4 mountains. Please make sure that you don't have any more. Again, for this one, we are looking for a drawing that is as close to the one that we're looking at as we possibly can. We do not want to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 mountains. I need you to start looking at something and being able to draw what you see, which is a lot different than using your imagination. The sun is going to go in between mountain number 2 and mountain number 3. And it is a half of a circle. We're going to do one sun ray right now that will go halfway between our center gray line and our last gray line. So I want to try and find where the middle is. I'm going to make a light mark, and I'm going to draw one straight line. I'm going to do a second sun ray line that is going to start where my mountain touches the plus sign of the gray and goes halfway between my last gray vertical line and the end of my project. So I'm looking for the middle. I'm going to make a small mark. I'm going to go to where my X is, and I'm just going to draw a straight line that connects them. And we have room for one more sun ray. We are going to start at the top of our second mountain. I'm going to make a little dot, and we are going to go where the gray line and the black line meet, and we are going to draw one straight line. So for this project, we are going to have 1, 2, 3, just 3 sun rays. It'll make it easier to color. And again, we are trying to draw exactly what it is that we see. If you finish this drawing and you have one hill with 1, 2, 3, 4 stripes, a second hill with no decoration, and a wave line that has one curve going up and one curve going down, 3 waves, 2 water waves, 4 mountains, 1 sun, and 1, 2, 3 sun rays. If you have all of that and there's still time to draw in class today, I want you trying to draw it one more time. And what you'll do is please just start this video back over, because for this final drawing, it is exactly what we just got done doing. But now that you've had time to try it once, we're going to practice one last time, and today will be your final day of practice on drawing. Next week, I will print out the one that turned out the best, and we will begin watercolor painting.